Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Thenjiwe.
And I am Long John.
And you are the GNT Gang.
Woo!
Thank you very much for watching our YouTube channel once again. We really appreciate you. And today's video comes very highly requested by a lot of you guys who are so inspired by our genuine love for each other.
It's genuine.
Yeah, and you guys have been so nice to us and so kind, and a lot of you would like to achieve what we have achieved in our relationship, which is pure perfection. And so you guys send us some questions, wanting some tips on how to keep things spicy and how to make sure that your relationship stays on top of everything.
Yes.
So I'm going to read some of the questions that you guys sent us, and yeah.
Let's just see what happens.
Yeah, here we go. It's Jay-Z. Wants to know, how do you spice things up in your relationship?
Well, thank you so much, Jay-Z, for asking that question. I would think to spice up things in relationship, what you need to do is know what your woman wants first of all, what she needs in this relationship, and then you do what she needs. What do you want?
I just want you.
Exactly. See, she wants me.
You, that's all.
So that's it.
We have another one from another Jay-Z. It's the real Jay-Z. What would you do if Thenjiwe caught you cheating?
Jay-Z, listen, my man. What you need to do is make sure that you separate yourself from her sister. Never get into an elevator with her sister because, hey, things will happen in there.
I would say just don't cheat.
Yeah.
Because if you do, I'll sing a song about you. The next one is from Ed Harry and Meghan. Thenjiwe, what would you do if Long John's grandmother didn't want him to move out of her house? I will take him. No man of mine will live with his grandmother. It means he's not ready to be a husband. If the grandmother wants to keep him, is she married to him? Is she the wife? I will take him, even if it means I take him to another country. I will make sure I take him as far away from the grandmother as possible.
You're right.
Would you go with me?
I'll go with you.
Thank you.
That's it.
Love lives here.
You see now.
At Bonang, what would you do if a celebrity took Long John from you?
Wow. Hey, first of all, I'm so happy that this grammar is correct on this question.
What I know for sure is he will come back. They always come back to the original girlfriend, to the original wife, to the original love of their lives. They will always come back.
Yeah, but which celebrity now? That's the question.
Doesn't matter. Even if it's Rebecca Malope, I'm not scared of any of them. This one is from Ed Real Black Coffee. How do you avoid arguments?
Okay, listen to me, Black Coffee. Make sure that she's always right. Even if she's wrong, she's right. Okay?
No.
Right.
In a relationship, you must just make sure that you understand each other and know that in any relationship, you're going to have arguments. And then there's always going to be someone who's wrong, and then there's going to be a wife.
You see?
That's a good relationship.
She's right, even if she's wrong right now.
It's Lungile G. What is the best thing to do for a date night?
Date night! First of all, it depends, where you want to take your wife. You understand? Remember we talked about 7 tips. So it's either you take it at home, you do it at home. That's date night. Perfect date night. Make sure that the boss is not around.
I also prefer just private date nights. Because if you take each other out, then you're spending money, then you're making people jealous of your relationship.
You see now.
Then people are seeing your relationship and now they're following your other half. Do date nights at home.
Exactly.
And let's see what other questions we have. And this one, I think this is going to be the last question that we take. It's from Ed Pastamboro. How do you stop your partner from cheating?
First of all, I'm Zimbabwean.
So I'll never cheat on him because his Mboro is number one. If he has a wrong Mboro, then they will cheat.
Exactly.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching our channel. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're going to learn from our tips on how to keep your relationship.
Mwah. Exactly.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you. We love you guys. Bye.